5 miles. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. At 7 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Clinton to Gardenville, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Downward, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Durham, Flemington, Tinicum, High Bridge, Clinton, Peapeck and Gladstone, Glen Gardner, Stumptown, Lebanon, Collie Farm, Stockton, Sargent Hill, Pipersville, Rowena, Annandale, Gardenville, White House Station, Lumberville, and Sandbrook. This includes Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 26. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Clinton and Somerset, and Bucks, Pennsylvania,